welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, she will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, may God Almighty continue to bless you all. Oh my God, you all know how we roll on this channel, guys. So guys, today's video, oh my goodness, you all know I've been away for a while, yeah, but trust me guys, I'm back for good. Okay, yeah, I just want to appreciate those that really took their time to check up on me, you know, reading all those messages. Sexyosas, where are you not coming back, or you don't want to do YouTube again, we miss you, this that. Oh my goodness, trust me, if not for all those messages, you know, I wasn't coming back soon. Trust me, but I just have to obey my people. Yes, so right now I'm fully back, guys, you know, trust me, I'm fully back. Thank you so much, Bridget Ogbede, Love Star, you know, many of them, I can continue calling names, Exclusive Beauty Queen and other of my fans, guys. Yeah, so for my Instagram, oh my goodness, don't just go there. There are lots of messages. Where are you, Sexyosas? We miss you. Oh my goodness, you know, so many messages. I said, oh my God, I just have to come back, you know, I have to come back. I was really busy, not that I don't want to do YouTube no more, no, not that, you know. YouTube need a lot of time. You know, we're making our hair ourselves. Oh my goodness, you have to make your hair every week to give the best to your people, you know. So I was just busy doing another thing. I don't want to miss it together, but right now, oh my goodness, I can actually do the two together, and I'm so happy, guys. Yeah, you all know Sexyosas, I'm a very busy person, you know. Oh my goodness, that is just it. Anyway, I'm back on set. Let me put it that way. I'm back on set, guys, you know. I'm so happy having you guys around me. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so lovely. Oh my God. So this video is a welcome back video to appreciate everybody for being there for me. I really do love you all so much for checking up on me, you know, asking after me, writing me message. I don't know how to put the word, guys. You just have to bear this with me, you know. It's long I did something like this, so I'm trying to come back, you know, trying to bring everything together again the way I do my thing. So that is just it. Anyway, you guys are so amazing. I love you all so much. So let me quickly talk about my eyebrow, guys. Yeah, you know, business always. Okay, so if you want to get this kind of eyebrow, you want to, you know, you are the type that don't like drawing your eyebrow like me, so I think you will be needing this. Okay, as you can see, the way it looking is so beautiful. You can see this is really different. What do you need to get this? It's just this, guys. It's called a tattoo waterproof. Okay, so it's really good, guys. Don't worry, I'm going to pull down the link. Okay, so you can go check it out. Okay, as you can see, it's so beautiful. You all know Sexyosas. I love beautiful things and natural things, guys. So that is just it. See, it's so beautiful. Anyway, the makeup is done by me. That is just it, guys. Oh my goodness, oh my God, I'm so happy to be back, guys. Oh my God, I miss you all so much. Anyway, I miss you all so much. Sexyosas, love you all so much, and I can't do without you guys. Anyway, this video is just to appreciate you, and it's a welcome back video. All right, Sexyosas is back again. I'm going to be doing different kind of hairstyle. Oh my god, although I have some already which I'm going to be posting after this video, guys. Okay, so don't worry, Sexyosas is back to give you all those beautiful styles. Yeah, that is it. So guys, don't forget to get this eyebrow tattoo for yourself. Okay, if you don't want to do your eyebrow yourself, and you are not the type that like drawing your eyebrow, oh my goodness, this tattoo waterproof is for you guys. Okay, try it and you will thank me later. You know I don't do fake things. I love natural things, guys. That is Sexyosas for you. So if you want to know the cream I'm using, you can see the way I'm glowing. Oh my goodness. So just go to Sexyosas fashion page. Okay, anyway, it was Osas fashion page before, but right now I'm going to be changing it to Sexyosas fashion page. Okay, so just go there. I'm going to be talking about my cream right now. When I say right now, oh my goodness, it's so good, guys. As you can see, my skin is glowing. Yeah, more business. So I'm not going to be talking about the cream here. So you go to Sexyosas fashion or Osas fashion page. Changing your name on YouTube, it always takes a lot of time to update. Okay, so if you can't find Sexyosas fashion, then check Osas fashion page. That is where I tell you the real thing. Yes, trust me, that is where I tell you the real thing. I tell you about my clothes, my lifestyles, the cream I'm using. But right now, just wait. I know I've talked about, I think, about 3 types of cream there, but just wait for the latest one, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So if you want to know more about Sexyosas, go to Osas fashion page. Okay, or Osas fashion page or Sexyosas page, fashion page. The name I don't know. So that is just it, guys. So if you want to know more about Sexyosas, so go to Osas fashion. That is just it, guys. If you want to know more about me, hey, oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Call me back. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy, guys. I really missed you all so much. So that is just it for this video. So wait for my latest video, and it will be out after this video, guys. Continue supporting your baby girl. Oh my goodness, continue supporting your baby girl. I need your prayer so much. Your prayer. I need your prayer so much right now. Trust me, when I say right now, it's me right now. Okay, I know you all love me. I know you will pray for me. Okay, guys, thank you all for being there for me. Thank you for always coming back to support me, guys. You guys are so amazing, and I love you all so much, guys. All right, guys, see you on my next video, and bye.